Hello everyone and welcome to another Smart Arts Weekly Challenge video. My name is Jake and today we'll be doing the second challenge prompt for this month, those words being rain boots. I really wish I needed rain boots, but I think I'm gonna have to swap those out for snow boots.
Yep, looks like snow boots.
So with this piece I wanted to do something a little different than the last two. With this piece I decided to fully sculpt out a boot with the clay and then have it look like it's almost like splashing in a puddle. To do this I started off by making a tinfoil boot shape and then laid thin layers of clay over it until the tinfoil was completely covered. This helps with both saving materials and structural support, as well as making sure the clay isn't too thick so it doesn't crack while drying. Once I was done with that, I decided to go into making the splash shape on the board by using some wires and bending them in different shapes, and then using them in the same way I did the tinfoil by masking it all with clay. Once I had that done, I just started pinching and pulling the clay until it resembled a splash. But I'm going to let all of you get your boots on, and I will see you all at the end with the final results. Alright everyone, that is it. Our completed piece using the words rain boots. I think this turned out really cute, but you're gonna have to let me know what you think down below. Now don't forget about the other weekly challenge prompts. If you don't know where they are, check the back of your brochure. They're gonna be right on the bottom corner there for you. And make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss videos like this one, where I try to tackle these challenges myself. And if you enjoy my work, make sure to check me out over my personal channel over at Naughty Egg Draw. The link's gonna be down in the description. But that is all for today everyone, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!